have a giveaway from Shaggy Baggy, and this is the third or fourth giveaway that we've done with Shaggy Baggy, mainly because they make my favorite knitting bags, and Sharon is awesome to work with. Shaggy Baggy is located in St. Paul, Minnesota, and the bags are made here in the US, and the ones that I have to give away today are these two here in springtime fabrics. There's kind of this muted pattern, it's very pretty, and then this animal print. I looked it up. I think this is an Appaloosa horse animal print. I like it. If you think it's something different, go ahead and let me know. I think it's pretty. It's pretty. And both bags are made out of a heavy canvas and fully lined. And so let's talk about why these are my favorite knitting bags, because this question comes up all the time. People wanting to know where, what they're going to like, not just buy because it's pretty, but they're going to end up wanting to use and not get tired of. And these are my favorite bags because I like a bucket. I want something that is open, stands up on its own, and I don't have to do a lot of digging to find what I'm looking for because I can pretty much see everything right when I look inside. And then the handles like this, I can also hang this on a hook and keep it away from the dogs. That's another important thing that doesn't apply to everyone because maybe you have good dogs and cats and I don't. But that is why these are my favorite bags. Oh, I'm not done yet. Also, there are no pockets, no zippers, nothing to catch the yarn. Everything is just in there and easily comes out. I can put this bag on the floor next to where I'm sitting and knitting and the yarn comes right out, no problem. So these are awesome bags, and these are, again, springtime fabrics that we have here. And I'm going to show you my same bag in a wintertime fabric in action, and to give you an idea of like how much this bag can hold. So this is a flannel with the canvas on the inside, and inside here I have stitch marker case, hand balm, a tape measure, extra yarn, and then this is the really it's only one other thing in here. It is a sweater that I just finished. It is a sweater from me. It is thigh length. It's called Jensen sweater. It has pockets, has long sleeves, it has a shawl collar. My point is this is not a baby sweater. This is a lot of knitting, and it fits in this large bucket, no problem. I still need to block it, so I don't mind shoving it in there with all of the things I need to knit it. And just as long as we're here, I grabbed these. These are two other Shaggy Baggy products that I have. She makes all kinds of stuff. She makes knitting bags in all different sizes. Gosh, I don't even know what all she has on there right now, but when you look at her website, you'll see. This is my sock project in this little bucket. And then this zipper bag is what I use for, it's my notions central location. Like you saw that I had notions in my knitting bag there. This is where I have like, I don't carry this around with me. This is always like stationary in the house, but this is my notions central location, if that makes any sense. Anyway, I am going to give you a link, of course, to Shaggy Baggy website. It's shaggybaggy.com, but there'll also be a link in the video description field and on my website. And follow that link on my website to enter to win one of these bags. We will announce the winner next week in video, and pretty exciting. Let me think. Yes, if you are watching this on YouTube and you don't see the little eye, just check for the link in the video description field. Everything's on my website. You can go to verypink.com and find it all there. Anyway, that is it for now. Good luck.